Hey guys, it's Alex again. Today we're going to cover different case configurations in MJOLNIR. If you're new here and you don't know what MJOLNIR is, basically it's a very compact, high-end mini-ITX case that lets you use full-size PC hardware. As a matter of fact, it's still not out yet. We're launching it on Kickstarter on November 26, 4 p.m. Central European Time. And if you back us in the first hour, you'll actually have a chance to win MJOLNIR R, that is RGB, with both panel sets. So performance panel sets and tempered glass panel sets. Alright, let's start. First, here are a couple of things you'll need. A small plastic cup to keep all the screws, a plastic card, and the included hex keys. And finally, it's time to grab your MJOLNIR. By the way, a quick disclaimer, this case is still a prototype. There are a couple of small things that will improve for the production models. First, there will be no strange color discolorations between the different parts. Second, there will be no screw holes on the outside. We'll also improve the overall tolerances. And last, the GPU bracket, so it's a bit easier to work with. Cool, so let's go! First, unlock MJOLNIR by turning the lock knob 90 degrees counterclockwise. You'll find it on the back of the case. And yes, MJOLNIR does have a power button. Believe it or not, it's on the back. Alright, now place the case vertically and carefully remove the enclosure. So, there are two types of panels that you can use: performance panels and tempered glass panels. As the name suggests, performance panels yield the best airflow and thermals. I highly recommend using them if you use an open-air GPU or air cooling for your CPU. When it comes to tempered glass panels, they let you show off all that awesome handiwork that you've poured into your build. However, if you use them, I would highly recommend using a blower-style GPU or an AIO cooler for the CPU, since they are less reliant on airflow from the sides of the case. Also, since everything is symmetrical, you can easily mix and match panels. For example, you can use a performance panel on the GPU side and a tempered glass panel on the CPU side. To install the panels, simply place the enclosure on its side and insert the desired panel. Then secure each panel with the included screws. Continue until you have secured all panels. Once again, since everything is symmetrical, you can swap the top panel for the O2 panel on the bottom. This is especially good when using an AIO in the inverted layout, since the O2 panel has much larger open area and thus better airflow to the radiator. Speaking of inverted layout, this is basically flipping the core upside down before reinserting it back into the enclosure. This gives you slightly better thermals, or you may simply like the inverted look. To complete your build, simply reinsert the core back into the enclosure and turn the lock knob 90 degrees clockwise. And we're finally done. I hope this helps you once you start your build. And if you want to see more, check out Dennis' air cooling build or my water cooling tutorial. Anyhow, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget about the launch on November 26 at 4 p.m. Central European Time. See you there.